Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have a vanilla gift card and it is getting declined online, you probably need to add your address to it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register your card step by step so that it works for online payments. So first of all, you need to understand one thing. Vanilla gift cards don't come with an address linked by default. So for the online payments, you will need to register the card with your billing address. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to flip your card and look for the official website printed on it. Afterwards, you just have to basically open that website on your phone or on your computer. Now, when you open it, you are going to see enter card details option, in which you just have to simply add your card number, the expiry date and CVV. So after that, you just have to basically follow further instructions. Then you are going to see some of the options of adding your billing address. So in it, you need to add your registered card, your zip code and updated billing information. Then enter your name, address and the postal code. Make sure that everything is accurate and matches to your real details. Once you are done, simply click on the option of save or submit and your card will be linked with your billing address. Now you need to go back and try your payment again. Make sure that you enter the same address details during checkout. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.